Hi! I'm Dr. Noemi Jane Bautista. I'm an internist, dermatologist, and alternative medicine specialist or naturopathic doctor. I've created organic and natural products, and one of those is Skin 21 brand. Skin 21 was launched in 2012, and this was bought to us by a multi-level marketing company. And of course, dahil networking, very expensive po ang products. One package cost around 15,000 pesos. And alam niyo na po, during pandemic, marami pong naluling mga businesses. And so, in 2022, that's after 10 years, I've recreated Skin 21 brand into something generic, but still very effective, na kaya pong bilhin ng masa. And so, pigment erase, age-defying, lightening, and acne-prone packages or kits were reborn. And now, let me introduce you to our very beautiful National Capital Region distributor, Miss Pamela Hipolito.
Hi! I'm sure nakabili na rin po kayo ng Skin 21 starter kits ni Doktora sa aming page. At talaga naman pong napakaganda ng Skin 21 products based sa thousands of good na testimonials na namabasa sa aming page. So kung meron po kayong questions, feedbacks, or you simply want to share your skincare experience with Skin 21, mag-reach out lang po kayo sa aming page and we are here to assist you.
Sa mga bumili na po at gumamit ng Skin 21 products, thank you so much for patronizing Skin 21 starter kits, no, and packages. At sa mga hindi pa po nakabili, saan tayo makakabili, Miss Pam?
Sa aming stores na Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. I-search nyo lang po ang Skin 21 NCR. Pwede rin po kayong mag-visit sa aming website www.skin21ncr.com.
With Skin 21, it's one click away to a more beautiful you.